Hello everyone, and welcome back to another massive Camp Nou construction update. The latest progress is simply impossible to ignore. Fresh facade installation is moving forward, while the compression ring is bringing the future roof one step closer to reality. Several key construction zones are now reaching important milestones, making this one of the most exciting stages of the entire project. Let's take a complete tour and see everything that's changed at Spotify Camp Nou. The biggest development at the south goal is the continued installation of sandwich panels on the exterior of the mobility core. Using cranes equipped with vacuum lifting systems and elevated work platforms, construction teams are carefully positioning and securing each panel. The lower section has now been almost completely covered, while installation has officially begun on the upper level, marking another important milestone for this section of the stadium. Alongside the facade installation, workers remain focused on preparing the surrounding steel structure. Protective coatings are still being applied to the exposed beams before they receive their final gray finish. This preparation is essential before the remaining sandwich panels can be installed, ensuring the entire mobility core has a consistent and finished appearance. Another noticeable step forward is the progress of the ceramic lamellas. Installation has now extended to the upper section instead of waiting for every remaining lower gap to be completed first. Crews are actively lifting and securing new lamellas into position, showing that work is advancing simultaneously across multiple levels rather than following a single sequence. At the same time, concrete operations continue nearby, with pumping equipment still active on the upper cantilever area. While the remaining lower lamellas are yet to be completed, construction teams are maintaining steady progress across the facade, allowing several finishing tasks to move forward together. Activity on the lateral side remains intense as new deliveries of ceramic lamellas continue arriving on site. Trucks loaded with additional facade elements are supplying the next sections of the mobility cores, where the structural supports have already been aligned, tightened, and painted in preparation for installation. Elsewhere on the lateral side, waterproofing tests are ongoing before new concrete pours begin. Crews are also removing completed formwork from previously finished sections, while preparing neighboring areas with reinforcement materials and edge blocks. These operations highlight the continuous transition from structural construction to finishing work throughout this side of the project. Construction is also moving forward around the diamond structures. The main lateral diamond has reached another important stage, with its steel framework now largely assembled and preparations continuing for future concrete work. Activity remains concentrated around the structure as crews finalize the remaining elements before the next construction phase begins. Additional work can also be seen around the surrounding support areas, where crews continue preparing structural components and organizing materials for upcoming installations. Although progress is now focused more on detailed construction than large visible changes, the diamond structures continue advancing steadily and remain one of the most active areas of the entire Camp Nou redevelopment project. Work at the north goal continues to gain momentum, with one of the diamond structures showing clear signs of progress. Construction crews have started installing concrete blocks along the outer section, while the rear side has already been completed. Workers are carefully cutting and fitting each block to match the required dimensions, demonstrating that finishing work is now moving steadily through this area. Nearby, attention also remains focused on the north goal mobility cores. Crews continue preparing the exposed steel beams with protective paint before sandwich panels can be installed. Large quantities of sandwich panels and construction materials are already positioned on site, indicating that facade installation in this section is expected to accelerate once the remaining surface preparation is completed. Construction activity remains strong around the corner, connecting the north goal and the Tribune. Recently installed ceramic lamellas are now being inspected and tightened to ensure every panel is securely fixed to its support structure. At the same time, crews continue completing the remaining structural supports, leaving only a small number of elements before this section of the framework reaches completion. Inside the Tribune area, progress is equally visible. Workers are painting the lamella support structures, preparing additional sandwich panels for installation, and gradually removing scaffolding from the mobility cores where interior panel installation has already been completed. These finishing operations clearly show that several sections are now transitioning from structural construction to facade completion. Another major highlight comes from the compression ring, where installation continues advancing around the upper edge of the stadium. New steel box sections have now been installed, bringing the structure even closer to the next radial beam. With each additional segment, the massive roof support system is becoming more complete, marking another important milestone in the stadium's transformation. Preparation for the next installation phase is already underway, with additional radial beams and supporting structures positioned nearby. The steady pace of progress suggests that this critical structural element will continue expanding rapidly over the coming weeks. Before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the new pitch inside the stadium. The installation of the new natural grass is progressing rapidly across the playing surface. Large sections of the pitch have already been laid while workers continue stitching the individual rolls together to create a seamless surface. Compared to previous installations, the work is advancing at a noticeably faster pace, bringing the stadium another major step closer to being ready for football. Once again, only a limited portion of the field now remains unfinished, highlighting the impressive speed of the installation process. And finally, let us move to the Second Cantilever area, which is a section of the stadium that does not always get as much attention as the more dramatic sections, but that is doing some really important and really necessary work right now. Steel stairs are currently being built around this cantilever zone. These stairs are going to provide access between the different levels of the second cantilever, making it easier for fans and staff to move around that part of the stadium safely and efficiently. Steel stairs might not sound the most exciting, but when you are in a stadium with tens of thousands of fans trying to move around during a match, having good stairways in the right places makes a massive difference to how smooth and how enjoyable the whole experience is. And alongside the stair construction, plenty of concrete blocks have been spotted around that cantilever zone. These concrete blocks are being used in the construction of the future bathrooms at the upper tiers. The bathrooms serving the upper sections of the new Camp Nou are being built right there at the second cantilever level, and the concrete block works that are currently ongoing are the walls and the structural elements that are going to form those bathroom spaces. Now, it is worth noting that things are a little bit quieter in that particular zone today compared to some other sections of the site, and the reason for that is actually simple and makes a lot of sense. Every milestone tells a story, and the story of Spotify Camp Nou is far from over. The journey continues, and with each update, another chapter is added to one of football's most remarkable transformations. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again in the next Camp Nou construction update.